This is Burleigh Falls, and the sun is just coming up. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody who commented on my my help video, where I asked for suggestions on how to make my videos better, how to make my videos more viewable, more exciting for my subscribers. And I got a lot of good feedback, a lot of help. What I've learned so far is that people want to see my photography, and I check my stats, and when I'm showing really nice photos, my watch time goes up. So I've kind of learned from this whole thing that I need to add more photos to my videos, and I'm going to try to do that. So today I'm at Burleigh Falls, and it's just a gorgeous morning. So I'm kind of late to the scene again, and I'm just taking apart my tripod. Okay. Oh my God, the sun is just hitting the other side. I've listened. No, I haven't listened. I've heard from my peers, people like Thomas Heaton, Andy Gibbs, and just to name a couple others. One of the suggestions that I continuously hear from them is to arrive early to your destination. And I still haven't listened because I'm arriving late, and the sun is just starting to hit over here, and I still haven't set up the Nikon. But I'm going to stop talking and set up. There's no clouds in the sky, but I'm hoping that the more the sun comes up, the more mist I'll get off of the water. And it's supposed to be about a high of 7 November. And talking about being late, I mean, it's not as if it's July where you got to get up at 3 a.m. to get to your destination for golden hour. Golden hour, I think, started today at 7:12 a.m. And right now I got about a half an hour before golden hour ends. So I'm going to stop talking and set up the Nikon quickly. A little bit warmer than the last time I was here. I think it was minus 20. But the atmospheric fog mist coming off the water was incredible, and I'm kind of missing that right now. So another thing I've done, I've signed up for PickFair, and if you see any of my photos that you like and you'd like a copy of them, you can go to PickFair, and I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll put a link to the bottom of this video. And if you see a photo that you like and it's not on PickFair, just let me know. Let me know, and I'll put it on PickFair. And they actually offer framing options as well, so it looks like a pretty cool deal. And I'm going to order a couple prints myself just to check out the quality and see how it turns out. But I'm really liking PickFair, so take a look at it, check it out for yourself, and if you see something. Okay, it pays to walk around. I just walked around the corner a little bit, and I came up to this spot. I was looking for a place to put the drone up, a nice clearing to put the drone up, and I came to this spot here, and it's great view of the falls, the bridge, the highway going over the falls, and then behind me behind me is also nice. We'll just spin the camera around here. I'm not level. If you do this, it's nice to have the camera level on the tripod. But this is what I've got happening here. I love that lighthouse. It just makes such a great shot. So this is below Burleigh Falls. And beautiful morning. I think it's time I put the drone up and did some aerials. Ooh, baby, that water's cold. Wow, if I had clouds on that boathouse, did I call that a lighthouse earlier? Boathouse. If I had clouds, I could get a beautiful morning shot here. But the more I explore this area, the more I can find the perfect landscape shot.